friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can make $10,000 just doing affiliate marketing and product launching business in your home, in your comfort zone. So how you can do, look at this product, someone is launching the product and within few days launching, and just in 4 days just 233 sale and over $18,000 revenue. And here is another launch by Udhav and $25,000, just one single launch, and he's launching just 2 days ago and 1,000 plus sale. And look at another launch just yesterday and he hit $7,500 in just 24 hours. And look at, not you and not other people's, a lot of people's doing this kind of business. Look, Venkatesh, Art, Kelvin, Vijay, and a lot of Indian peoples, a lot of foreign peoples. So no matter where you are born, what you are doing, you will do exact things. Okay, so you can see on a lot of people's doing, and they are winning contests, and basically this business is magical and really enjoyable because you build a community, you build a friends, you build a products, you build a services while you don't know about any marketing skills, any technical skills, still you will do. Let me share the secret how you can replicate and copy exact thing to make money like that. And once you make money, then what will happen in your life? Maybe currently you are doing 9 to 5 job, you have a lot of burdens, you have a family situations, your age increasing, maybe you are 25, 26, 28, even 29, maybe 45 and more than. But money is a necessary for everyone. You need money, your family need money, but if you don't have money, you don't have any life. And if you are doing just 9 to 5 job, it is a boring. I know I have did 5-year job and that was a boring, and literally my mind stuck and I'm just rounding a circle, and just I got salary and paying EMI, paying a bills, paying a loans, and handling a family situations, financial crisis, and I just quit everything, but not instantly. I just earned a lot of money on online. After then I quit a job. So I will show you how you can do, because I know the pain in your life, because I was same situation, but I move and I did a lot of things. Okay, so look at, this is one website called Munchai. Here a lot of software launching daily basis. So what people do, a lot of people launch products every single day, and look, Willie Day and Mike and Melly Chance and Michaels, and look this product going on Venkatesh. Look this product Venkatesh, where is Venkatesh? This product was just yesterday, live yesterday. Okay, and Udhav just 8 November. So but how they can make this kind of money? It is not a small amount of money, it is a big amount of money also you can make. Okay, so how you can make, that is super simple, and how you can copy all those things. Okay, so very simple, it is called affiliate marketing. And if you don't know about the affiliate marketing, simply you need to do 3 steps. First, you go to the munchai.com like this, and you can select the products. Once you select the product, you can check what is your commission rate. Once you promote the products to your audience, then you generate a sale and you will get paid a commission. So how you can look, first you can analyze the product, what type products and it is working or not. And once the product working, then you can get an affiliate link. Where is the affiliate link? So you can request for affiliate link, and once you request, then you can check out the commission rate. So you can click the product and look, if you promote this product, you just sell just front end and other OTOs, OTO 1, OTO 2 and OTO 3, even 25, more than 25 products, you will get 50% commission to all entire funnel. And just one single product, one single sale, you can make at least $500 to $54 commission in just one single sale. So it is a simple work you will do, but it is not easy. As you know, making money is online too hard, so you need a mentor. Without mentor you cannot do. Without mentor I cannot do, and anyone cannot do. So where you get a mentor? If you want to know how you can promote someone else's product, and how you can launch a product and make money like this in every single day, then I highly recommend you can learn everything from my mentor. My mentor is Jono Armstrong, who teach me everything, and I'm working him from the last 5 years, and I have done also a lot of product launching and everything. So I have put the link description below in this page. You can click and go to this page and watch complete live training call, and once you watch, then you can see the testimonials and everything. And once you click on this page, you will get the sales page. Okay, I'm not saying you just join right now this program, but at least you will learn why you need to do this kind of marketing. If you are not aware of your life right now, maybe you lose a lot of money, a lot of opportunity in your life. Okay, so look, this program is not any fake, and not overwhelmed, because a lot of people promoting any fake product. But I'm not promoting you. I'm just giving you opportunity to work with him and work with me and change your life. Even 5,000 people already in this program. This is a paid program, and they making a lot of money every single day. Okay, so and most of the people who launching the program, who do everything because he's a student. He teach around 90% peoples, 90% vendors and affiliate in this industry, and you can get exact training and program with him. And let's share what you will get inside the program. Just 1 second. This program is really amazing, called Ministry of Freedom, and Ministry of Freedom, one of the best program in my life, and it has changed my life. And once you join the program, you will get a complete 9-week training program. I'm just giving you overview, and if you want to know more about this program, you want to join, if you want to learn everything, simply I have putting my WhatsApp number below. You just WhatsApp me and chat me, hey, I want to learn, I want to join the program, I want to build my life. But if you are serious, I'm not spending time with unnecessary people. If you are serious, you want to invest, then you connect me. Okay, so look at the program details is really amazing, and course structures, welcome videos and everything. So I'm the member from since 5 years. Okay, so I like his challenge 60 days to make $10,000 formula. So within 60 days you will make your first $10,000 promoting someone else's product and promoting and launching his own products. Okay, I don't know why you are waiting. You just go to in the link description below and connect with me and watch the complete free training class. After then, if you understand this program is for you and you're willing to hard work, willing to pay to join this program, then you can contact me. Otherwise, you just watch this video is very thankful for me, and hope you will get some value. And click on the link below and watch, and we will see you inside members area. Thank you.